If you need to factor the equation x squared minus 5x minus 24, here's how you do it. First, you start with a skeleton equation like this. So I've already put that in for us. Next, we need to add the signs to our skeleton equation. So we have a negative and a negative. And if both the middle and the last term are negative, we're going to put a positive and a negative in our skeleton, like this. Now we can find the factors for both that last term, that's the negative 24, and the middle term. And they should add up to this negative 5 here. So the factors of 24, let's just list those. And so I'm looking for factors here that have a difference of 5. And the only thing that has a difference of 5 is 3 and 8. 8 minus 3, that's 5. So what I'll do is I'm going to put the 8 here because I want to have a big number as negative. And then I'll put the 3 right here. So 3 times negative 8, that gives me the negative 24. And then this negative 8 and 5, if I add these together, I just get negative 5. So we've correctly factored this equation x squared minus 5x minus 24. But let's check our work quickly with the FOIL method. So we'll multiply the first terms, the outside, the inside, and then the last. That gives us, and we can combine negative 8x plus 3, and we get, and this, that's the same as what we had up here. So we've done this part here correctly. We've correctly factored x squared minus 5x minus 24. Let's check the values. Let's find those values for x, that when we plug it into the equation here, we end up with this equaling 0. 0 equals 0, that's a true statement. So I could say x plus 3 equals 0, so x would equal a negative 3. X minus 8, that would equal 0, so x would equal a positive 8. If I put negative 3 in for x here, I do the math, this whole side will equal 0. Likewise, if I put 8 in for x, and I do the math, again, all of this will equal 0. So we've done this correctly as well. If you use the quadratic equation, you'll get these same numbers. This is Dr. B. This is Dr. B factoring the equation x squared minus 5x minus 24. Thanks for watching.